Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion for the unit, Biomolecules and Key Biochemical Principles. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts of biomolecules and biochemical processes essential for anyone progressing into the field of medicine. From carbohydrates and proteins to enzymes and cellular respiration, you will gain a clear understanding of the molecular mechanisms that underpin vital biological functions. The assignment focuses on explaining key biochemical principles. It is assessed through a presentation and an in-class test. The presentation covers biomolecules and enzymes. The test examines respiration and Mendelian inheritance. Both tasks are crucial for the final grade. Understand the structure and function of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Grasp the importance of nucleic acids in genetics. Comprehend enzyme structure and function. Learn the process of cellular respiration. Master simple Mendelian mechanisms. Task 1 involves a presentation on biomolecules and enzymes. It requires describing the structure and role of carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. The biological significance of each must be explained. Monomers and polymers should be included where relevant. Enzyme models like lock and key and induced fit are essential. Carbohydrates include monosaccharides and polysaccharides. Proteins consist of amino acids, peptide bonds, and polypeptides. Lipids are made of fatty acids, glycerol, and phospholipids. Nucleic acids involve nucleotides, DNA, and RNA. These structures link to cellular functions. Enzymes are proteins with specific structures. They have active sites for substrate binding. The lock and key model illustrates this specificity. The induced fit model shows enzyme flexibility. Examples include enzymes in the human body. Use bullet points on slides for clarity. Diagrams must support your explanations. The notes section should contain spoken content. Aim for a total of 1,750 words. The presentation should last 12 minutes. Task 2 is an in-class test under exam conditions. The paper is released 2 weeks in advance. The test lasts 1 hour and 45 minutes. Diagrams must be submitted beforehand if needed. Scientific accuracy is crucial. Compare aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Consider energy yield differences and location in the cell. Examine speed and efficiency. Look at end products formed. This understanding is key to biochemical principles. Glucose and oxygen play crucial roles in aerobic respiration. The stages include glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain. ATP production is a key outcome. Diagrams support these explanations. Aim for a guide word count of 800. Understand the biological significance of meiosis. Explore autosomal recessive and dominant inheritance. Investigate sex-linked inheritance. Use genetic diagrams and monohybrid crosses. These concepts are vital for genetic comprehension. Grade 1 requires accurate knowledge and clear explanation. Grade 2 demands very good application of principles. Grade 3 expects excellent depth and integration. Strong structure-function links lead to higher grades. Aim for clarity and thoroughness in your work. Use Harvard referencing throughout your work. Cite all diagrams and sources accurately. Include a full bibliography. Plagiarism and malpractice are strictly prohibited. Maintain academic integrity at all times. Tortora and Derrickson's Principles of Anatomy and Physiology is recommended. Berg, Timochko, and Streyer's Biochemistry is another key resource. OpenStax provides valuable biology and biochemistry resources. Peer-reviewed scientific literature is essential. Use these resources to deepen your understanding. Focus on clarity and conciseness in your slides. Use visuals to enhance understanding. Practice your spoken content thoroughly. Stay within the recommended word count. Ensure your presentation is well structured. Correct. Review your notes and diagrams carefully. Understand key concepts like respiration and inheritance. Practice under timed conditions. Focus on scientific accuracy. Prepare thoroughly for the in-class test. Conclusion. Mastery of these topics is essential for your successful progression into medicine. A strong understanding of the foundational concepts not only supports future learning, but also underpins clinical reasoning and professional competence. You can reach us on WhatsApp at 074843616688 for any queries. A team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and see you at the following session.